Designing a minimalist form for a clean user experience doesn't have to be complicated. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a simple, user-friendly form that will enhance your design without overwhelming your users. Stick around until the end because I'll show you a free tool you can use to create your own forms with ease. First, let's talk about the key principles behind minimalist form design. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for users to submit their information without feeling lost in a sea of fields. You don't want your form to feel cluttered, so the best approach is to focus only on what's absolutely necessary. Start by trimming down your form fields. Only ask for information you truly need. For example, if you don't need a user's full address, don't ask for it. The fewer fields there are, the more likely your users are to complete the form. This is especially important in a minimalist design, where every element should serve a clear purpose. Next, keep the layout simple. Use clear labels for each field and ensure there's enough space between them so that users don't feel cramped. Consistent spacing can help guide the user's eyes across the form in a logical order. For example, make sure all the fields are aligned in a vertical stack with adequate space in between. This prevents the form from feeling overwhelming. Now let's talk about input field design. Avoid overwhelming users with multiple options. For example, instead of using a drop-down list with dozens of options, use radio buttons or simple text input where appropriate. This streamlines the experience, making it faster and more intuitive for users to complete the form. For the design itself, use neutral colors and avoid flashy buttons or unnecessary icons. A minimalist design is all about using subtle contrasts, clear typography, and ample white space. This means you want your form to blend seamlessly with the overall look and feel of your website or app, rather than stand out too much. Don't forget to include a progress indicator if your form spans multiple pages. Even though we're designing minimalist forms, giving users feedback on their progress will reduce anxiety and keep them engaged throughout the process. Another important point is the Submit button. Make sure it's easy to spot, but not screaming for attention. It should be placed where users expect it to be, usually at the bottom of the form. Keep it simple with text like Submit or Next. No need for flashy call to action phrases. For accessibility, ensure your form is usable by everyone. This includes providing enough contrast for readability, making sure it's mobile friendly, and using descriptive labels that screen readers can understand. Lastly, make sure your form is responsive. It should look great on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. This is especially crucial in today's mobile-first world, where most users will access your form on their smartphones. I've tried out some of the most popular form building tools for this tutorial, and I'll be using one that I highly recommend, Our Software. You'll find an exclusive free trial link in the description below if you want to follow along and start designing your own minimalist forms today. It's a great tool to help you bring all these concepts to life without the steep learning curve. To recap, here are the key takeaways for designing a minimalist form. Focus only on the essentials by eliminating unnecessary fields. Keep the layout simple with clear labels and ample white space. Streamline input methods. Use subtle design elements, and always keep accessibility in mind. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tips like this, feel free to check out my other tutorials.